and nice to meet you to this new episode of Weekbit. Yes, on my kitchen table the Denon DVD video player DVD-M330. Oh, well, what shall I say? Doesn't work also. The first what we need is a Mr. Brush, in case of this is a little bit dirty, and I clean it up. Good, so super. And then we insert a disc. This is the disc and connecting to the mains. Oh, look, a red one light is here. Loading. I open it. Oh, it's a CD inside. Very funny. And close it. What's happened? Loading and no disc. It was. But some noises inside. Yeah. We would like to open it. Take a screwdriver and we would like to open it. Here we have the only one screw on this side and 3 screws on the back side. Look, here we have a SCART connector. Should be also a little bit clean here. Don't like the dust and the dirt on my fingers because I cannot so, and here, yeah. What's happened here? Open, goes. Maybe a little bit spin. No disc. No disc. It's interesting why it is saying no disc. Case of what? In case of no disc. Maybe the laser is not working. Yeah, the laser is here. Laser light is here. It's coming, but no. Says no disc. Why? It doesn't spin. This is my first question, and never see a drive like this. Now it's a very funny situation. It initialized the CD, but it spins up, turns down, spins up, turns down, and do nothing. What can that be? Maybe the amplifier is defect or what? If I stop it and interrupt it, no interrupt will be occur. If I say stop, switch it to the off, it doesn't stop. Yeah, I think so. This is a controller problem. I disconnected from the mains now, and now we see. Switch it on. Spins in the wrong direction. Now in the correct direction, and loading, nothing. Doesn't spin and say no disc. But it can spin. What should I do here? Alright, it's not fun. What should I do? I don't remember this drive and so on. I'm watching inside, disconnected from the mains. Maybe there is one mechanical failure also. And on the other side, open it. Maybe the amplifier is defect. Also, this is also very slow, goes out slow, and disconnected from the mains. We must we have here, look, we have here this oh, it's broken. It's dangerous, it's broken. You can only break it out. Does not hold if you bring it back. You will need this to bring in. 2 parts, super. See, these plastic parts. I cannot put it away. Oh, it's burning hot, man. Burning hot under here. Phew. What's this? This is not normal. Here, it's burning hot. No CD player is burning hot like this. I think there is their amplifier is defect also. What shall I say? And I think I cannot repair this. Where is the burning hot? Very funny. It's not funny. It's ESS vibrato. Who is that burning hot here? It's too old, this machine. It's very old. It's very old. These ESS chipsets, I remember from the end of the 90s to the 2000s, so they built it in. I only can say there is maybe the things like here is defect, this IC can be defect, but I don't know. I cannot measure. It's a big difference. You have no chance to measure it. And what it is, it's a AN8423. And if it's not, if you change this, then it's not. What shall I say to this? This drive is, but it was burning hot. Don't know why. Look, here are signs. Where it is? Here? No. Here it is? No. No. I don't remember how it was. Was it so? No. Can it be? Is it in this? Is it too small? No. But something, it must be here. Here and here is not. It's also no how it was installed. I can't remember. I have no plan. Oh, in this direction maybe? Yes, this looks good. But I found out this. Maybe this we can change, and the initialization process is too slow, and maybe this is too not so good. I put a new one in, maybe it helps. I have a lot of these rings. It's too small, too small, too small. And this one is too, it's too big. I have a lot of these rings. Too big, too big, too big. This maybe, looks good, not so bad. But it's also not so, it's a little bit, the size is too big, too big. This maybe. This is too small, but it's legitimate to use this. Maybe this. So it's too big. See, it's too big. And this one looks good. This looks good. I take this one. I take this one, and the other ones I save to my ring package. I take this. Well, I would like to put this in and take it here and it's not good. It's not good. I think it's not so good than the smaller one. The smaller one will be nicer. Look, it's overturned here. No, we need a smaller one. We need a smaller one than this. This is small, but it's the same size. We need the next smaller one. Look, we need the next smaller one. This is the new one, but we take a smaller one. And it's not funny. It's not funny. I'm searching. I take this. Look, this is working good. Look, it looks stiff and strong. I think it's this problem. And now we must insert here the motor drive and so on. Put this back to the ring box. We must close the drive. And I hope so it's not electronic, because for this drive I only see the motor interface, but the motor interface can be defect. I must order a IC and then we can change it. This is also possible, but the problem on this drive is DVD are running a time and then the processor stopped working, and so I don't like to repair DVDs because they have no failure. there is no failure, but it doesn't work. Super. Like this. Maybe this screwdriver is better. Yeah, these are old now. Old screwdrivers. They have these. So, good. I put that back. And I hope so the plastic will not crash if I bend it a little bit. So, zack. Super. Not funny. And I take this. Maybe we have the chance to reanimate this. First of all, we need to interconnect this one, small connector, but I don't like to repair DVD players. I cannot say it often enough, because you cannot find a failure inside. It's impossible. And the thing is that you can interchange something like the drive complete. Then, in other words, it's working again and so on. But in real, you cannot find the failure, because the failure is in the 99% in the software or in the firmware. And I'm sure there is a end of life programmed. Close. Open. Oh, it's open faster. What is now? Close. And the drive don't interest, huh? Don't goes up. Why? Look at this now, at this failure. I see. It will not lift up the the tray, transportation tray. So disconnect it, go in. We must build it out again and again and again and again and so on. doesn't spin up. Look, now why doesn't spin, it doesn't go out and in. It has something to do with this stupid mechanisms here. They are not on the end and not at the start. Goes not up. I understand. I must open this again. And I think so it's falling out from this transportation kit where the lift is going up and down. It was my mistake to do this. We must have a look inside. So what I would like to gonna do is I would like to take this fat and putting a little bit inside the machine to lubricate this, and yeah, it is here, and it should be a better switching for it. I hope so. I hope so. It's more up and more down, so can, oh yeah, it's working. I think so it works. It's not so hard anymore. And so the mechanic close. Then I put that back. Here I insert this connector. Be careful, it's not so. But how is this on it? Oh, I'm not so. I must put that here, and so we have that here. It's it's interesting. Where it is? Here? No. Here it is. So it's the correct place. I close this big one, and then I can close this here with the screws. I hope so. I have a small screwdriver here. I have one, but where it is? It's a big question. Oh, here it is. Here we have a small one. I hope so this is working, and bring that in, and also this. It was not so satisfied at the first try, and I would like to try it again in form of, I hope so the drive will be close now, correct, and I don't have this failure that the initializer are not running first. I change now the rubber gum, and also lubricate it a little bit, the plastic parts, and hope so this will be come out. Look, here it is not. We must shift it, but now I cannot shift it. Okay, I do that now if I install it inside, and I must close also this part of the deck. It's complicated a little bit, so, and I close also this with the black screws, and hope so I can work with it, or it can work if it's close. And I only can change the amplifier, but is it in that way or not? We can also here insert this connector. I mean, why? Tell me, why is this so angry? Maybe we lubricate it here too. We can do that. It's not that bad. Here and here. I don't know why this is so hard to move. Why is it so hard? Something broke inside? Maybe it's broke. I put the lubrication also here in this part of the machine. Can I lubricate it here and here? What is this? That means it goes here. Okay, now it's going up. Can't understand why this is so. Now it's going smooth. What is click? You hear this? Then it's smooth down, go smooth out. Okay, I'll let it be now here in this position, and it shall run by itself. I can make nothing now. It's for me not possible to understand why this is so hard. For me it's just too hard to understand what's happened here. No, it's not. Is it? It is. It is. It is. It's good. Open it, close it, open it, close it. Now I hope so it works. If not, then I cannot say what I can do with it. It's for me impossible to know what I'm doing here. But I cannot find a failure. This is not a failure. It's the drive. It's old and used, and maybe the plastic parts are just say to the plastic parts, looks like good, but in function it doesn't work. Now after 2 or 3 tries it initialized the music from 10 titles. This is correct, and if I press play, then it speeds up and it plays. Yeah, it plays. Now we would like to hear from the sound, did it start or not or whatever. I would like to hear this from the amplifier. I'm switching the amplifier on, and we have now what? We are, say, this is okay. It plays. But I cannot give a warranty for this player. It's not. Yeah, it plays now, but sometimes it plays not. And this seems to be the firmware. You hear it, it plays, but in real, I cannot give a warranty on it that it works forever. That was the Denon DVD-M330, but I don't give a warranty on its work, and I think so it's for the trash in real. And believe me, I said the truth. If the drive are accept one time at the initialization CD with the 10 tracks and 2 times not, it's not on the laser, it's on the firmware, I think. And maybe the mechanical part are off. I don't know what's happened with this. If you like my channel, please subscribe, and I say thank you for watching.